we must have to take action. First of all, you are taking action is not just you want to win. No, but that time has come that the judiciary must rise up to the occasion to make a final pronouncement on this issue of defection. And that would go a long way to strengthen our democracy. Because if we do not take action, you will find out a situation where you have to have a one-party state. And that will not be good for our system, for our democracy. And so I have encouraged the People's Democratic Party, they must file a suit against the governor of Ebonyi State, David Umahi, and the governor of Cross River State, Ayade, for defecting to the All Progressive Congress without any reason preferred as provided in the Constitution or any other enabling law. So what PDP is looking for is not just that they want to reclaim the seats, but that a pronouncement must be made by the judiciary of this incessant defection without no reasons at all, in order to enhance and strengthen our democracy. Let it be on record that the party have been able to challenge this, and let us await the outcome of the decision of the courts, because the court have a role to strengthen our democracy. And part of the role the court must play is to make a final pronouncement on this issue of defection from one party to the other, having been elected on a particular political party. And when there are no divisions in the party, and people will come up with all kinds of excuses, or people are over-influential, or people are interfering in what happens in their states, flimsy excuses that have no basis in law. And so, for me, I've encouraged the People's Democratic Party, they must challenge this, just like they are challenging the one of Zamfara. We cannot let go. We cannot let go these other two states. It doesn't matter whether they win at the end of the day, but for once, let there be a pronouncement. And in that way, I believe other people will take a cue, will learn a lesson from it. We cannot say, oh, let's just leave it. No. It must be subjected to the court for them to interpret and come up with a decision that says, yes, you cannot do this, or you are allowed to do it. In that way, you will see that democracy will be strengthened.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.